We just got new Apple products. What's up, guys? Sam here. Welcome back to another video. We are talking about the Apple Watch Series 6 and the Apple Watch SE. Pretty much the two coolest smartwatches we've ever seen from anybody, for being honest. I want to go over all the details about the Series 6, show you like the new blood oxygen monitoring stuff. The SE, which is like the new SE watch, is just like the best deal on a watch. It's only $279. So much to cover. So drop a like if you're excited, and of course, stay tuned for more. iOS 14 comes out tomorrow, so subscribe so you don't miss out on anything. Let's go ahead and start off with the Apple Watch Series 6. All right, guys, so the design is essentially the same as before. It looks like the Apple Watch Series 5 and the Series 4 before it, but Apple's fine-tuned a lot, and they've added some really cool stuff to the inside. The first thing is blood oxygen monitoring. So you can take basically a scan using the new updated sensor on the back of the watch to see how much percent oxygen is like permeating through your system. You know, you want like high 90s. Usually you have to go to the hospital, or you have to buy a special sensor that you put on your finger. You've probably seen that before. Now the watch can do it natively, which is just wild. Like that's built in. That new health feature is there, and they showed a couple things with that. Like you can take it anywhere, even in like high elevation. And of course, along with that, there's a companion app to sort of show you what's up and actually take the measurement. So that's the big feature. But now I said the design didn't really change, but like the casing options are crazy. Not only is there a blue Apple Watch, so a blue Apple Watch, because the iPhone 12 coming next month is supposed to come in a very similar blue. We also have product red on the Apple Watch for the first time. I mean, blood oxygen monitoring, red sensor on the, like, it really just went right along with it. I guess this is their plan the whole time, but there's some really cool new finishes, and I believe there's a new gold finish in stainless steel or aluminum, one of those two as well, that Apple has announced. So the most premium finishes are on the new watch. But the fine-tuned stuff is also really exciting. Like the watch now has a faster processor on the inside. It's the S6 chip. Last year, we didn't really see an upgrade. Now I think Apple said it's either 20 to 40% faster, but like significant upgrade in processing performance on this watch. Not that you're doing that much on the watch, but like it's there probably to help with tasks like doing an ECG or measuring your blood oxygen. Also new on the watch is an always-on altimeter. Now the watch has had this for a while where it can measure elevation, but it updates kind of slowly. This is insane, dude. They showed hiking, and it will go up like foot by foot as you climb or descend. That is built in like in the watch. So it changes on your wrist, and you can really see what's going on with your elevation to see how high up you really are. Because sometimes when you're hiking, the oxygen gets a little thin up there. You might want to know exactly where you're at in the atmosphere. This is huge to me, but it's complemented by a ton of things on the inside of the watch as well. Like 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi is here. I've said forever the watch has just kind of felt slow Wi-Fi wise to me. It is not slow anymore. 5 gigahertz is crazy fast. The U1 chip on the inside is going to help you with spatial awareness. Apple's long been pushing into augmented reality. They're putting the U1 chip in pretty much like every product moving forward. The U1 chip is here to stay, and while there's not a ton of benefit now, like this is future-proofing the watch for great things to come. Sleep tracking is available for all Apple Watches starting tomorrow when watchOS 7 is released. However, this new Apple Watch Series 6 has fast charging, so it can charge up to 20% quicker than before, which honestly isn't as much as I thought we would see. Like I thought Apple would be able to push it a little bit higher than 20%. The iPhone can get like 50% in 15 minutes. But, I guess a smaller battery. And perhaps like most exciting is, when you're outside and like you can barely see your watches always on display because it's so bright, Apple says that's 2.5 times brighter now. So the Series 6 is really tweaking things around the edges, but it's a much more significant upgrade than last year when we got 2 features. This is blood oxygen, Wi-Fi, performance. But Apple didn't even stop there because there's actually some new bands, which is interesting. You have the solo loop and the braided solo loop. It looks like these come in like 8 or 9 different one sizes fits all. What I mean by that is like there's very subtle variants from like small to medium to large. They look really cool. Apple says they're like the most comfortable bands ever. So there's no clasp, no holes. You just slide it on and slide it off. I'm into this. I'm really, really into this. They also have, I think, some new Nike bands, some new Hermes bands for, I don't know, all you pretentious people out there that buy Hermes. It's not my thing. But the new bands are crazy, and I can't wait to try them out. Like, they look great. So a lot of subtleties touched with the Apple Watch Series 6, but a pretty compelling upgrade to me. I think it's going to start at the same prices as last year, like around $400 or $500. The big story for if you don't want to spend that much but get something really comparable is the Apple Watch SE. Okay, the Apple Watch SE, it starts at $279, which is an insane deal for what you're getting here. What you are getting is kind of a hybrid between the Series 4 and the Series 5. So no always on display, but the Series 5 processor. So really fast, which is actually the same processor as the Series 4. But you get that built-in altimeter like in the new Series 6, and you're getting the same performance as the 2019 Apple Watch Series 5 for like hundreds of dollars less than the Series 5 was selling for, or the Series 6 starts at. This is the watch to buy. If you've got $279 laying around and you've been thinking about buying a watch, do it. Like, the SE is amazing. I can't wait to get my hands on it. By the way, I didn't even tell you, these go online today. I need to actually buy these right now before they sell out. And processing wise, like compared to the Series 3, this is twice as fast. So the SE is an amazing deal. Like, I think you guys are going to love it. I think it is the move. There was, however, sort of a one more thing for the Apple Watch, and it wasn't a new hardware product. It was the launch of not only the Apple One subscription bundle, where you can get a discount if you subscribe to a lot of Apple services. This is really cool to me, Apple Fitness Plus. I'm subscribing to this on day one. They're giving you, I think, a 30-day free trial, or maybe 90-day free trial when you buy one of these new Apple Watches. And it is customized, time-bound, goal-oriented videos made by what Apple says are really the best trainers in the world. They look like they've put a ton of time into these. And I just got some screen caps of what it looks like at the event. So this is Apple Fitness Plus. It's $10 a month or $80 a year. And it syncs up your metrics with your watch and stuff to your Apple TV, to your iPad, to your Mac. It's dope. And we've heard about this. It's here. $10 a month, honestly, not too bad. I think they can actually justify this one. So let me know if you're going to be subscribing to the new subscription service down below. The Series 6 is nice. By the way, all of this is available for order right now today. So like as I made this video, they're probably selling out pretty quickly because we haven't seen like new hardware all year from Apple, but they are out now. They're pretty cool, you know, not like the biggest upgrade of all time, but I'm happy with it, especially the Series 6 and Apple offering that lower cost SE. It's cool. They're really feeling high, mid, and low tiers now, and you're sort of seeing that across all their products. So that's it. That's the story with the new Apple Watches. Got another video coming out on some other stuff later today. It's a busy one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Drop a like if you did. Hit subscribe for more. Catch you in my next one.